Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to assemble a Clorox Toilet Wand. First, you take the container, hold it in one hand, and attach the holder to the container. Simply line it up, slide it in, and clip the bottom pieces. It can be difficult to clip it inside, but if you push it a little bit, it snaps right into place. Once you've put together that part, take the wand, slide it into a slot. Then take the pads, open up the container, and place them inside of the container. Put the wand back into the slot, and that's how you put together a Clorox Toilet Wand. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.